Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes to all of us. Introducing me, Anindita Murtiani Putri. I come from a student of Communication Science at Dian Nuswantara University Semarang. How are you all? May you always be healthy and we are all protected by one code. Because the COVID pandemic 19 is not over yet. During the COVID pandemic 19, I remind them to implement 2M health protocol to wash hands, wear masks, and maintain distance. By the way, guys, today I have one student who will accompany me to chat with me about online lecture opinion. Soon I will be joining one student. I will join the student beautiful sister. Who is she? To shorten the time, I will just start. Please, beautiful sister.
Hello Tita, I'm fine.
Okay, introduce yourself first, Kak Asti.
Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Asti Sri Marianti. I study at Semarang State University or UNES, where I live in Pekalongan.
Okay. The condition in Indonesia are experiencing a 19 COVID pandemic. Now for college learning to continue doing online lectures. Nah, what is your response to doing online lectures or distance learning?
Okay. My response is to do distance learning. Namely, yes, it must be like that for a while. You have to do online learning. Even though it's difficult, it's for the good of us all. Because of what? Because with distance learning, we certainly keep our distance from other people in order to reduce 19 COVID transmission online to wait until the 19 cases could have decreased, because if it's not like that, the consequence will be fatal. Indeed, we must be patient and keep trying, obeying the protocol when leaving the house.
Okay, next, what are the joys and sorrow of online college that Sis Asti feels?
In my opinion, recording the joys and sorrows of learning online, the joys at home, we can always meet our parents or our other families. We can also go to college while helping our parents. Maybe if we are tired, we can lie down in the room. At this time, we are always closer to our families. The grief is feeling longing, but with college friends, boarding house friends, friends from organization, as well as in the campus area, even missing eating at stalls around campus. The point is we miss out atmosphere during college. Then we find it difficult to study groups with our friends. We must learn to understand the material by ourselves. We can only ask questions over the phone. We can't meet in person.
Oh, okay. Next, according to Sis Asti, the benefit of online tuition, especially for my sister.
Okay, the benefits for me to study online is that we can train our independence. This means that in learning, we try to understand the material ourselves, do our own assessments. Maybe it can be help, but of course that it's also difficult. Then the next benefit is that we can get closer and have more time for family as long as we go to college. Of course, we have long been away from family.
Nah, what application are used when studying online?
Recording application. During college, I use applications such as Meet, Zoom, Google Classroom, Elena UNES, Gadu UNES, WhatsApp group, and Telegram.
Okay. Effective online college tip and message for those currently studying online or distance learning.
Yes, here I will give some effective online college tips. Namely, 1. Make an online lecture schedule. Study at home does not mean forgetting the application to be a student. We have to make a schedule so that we always remember the lecture schedule given by the lecturer. 2. Try to collect coursework on time. We also have to record the assessments given by the lecturer so that we don't forget. We must have time, be able to divide time between lecture with others. So we really have to prioritize our college assessments. In addition, usually when we are give an online quiz, it will be recorded by the system, so there is no tolerance for web assessments. 3. Listening to the lecture materials. Well, we can go around on our own. Even talk, we can lie down at home. We also pay attention to the lecturer when explaining the material. We must focus so that the material can be understood. The 4. Apart from listening to the materials, we also need to note important things. If you are lazy to write, you can screen your PowerPoint. If you don't have PowerPoint, you can type on your laptop or handphone. The last 5. Keep our learning facilities complete, such as a comfortable, clean, fragrant room, so that we can concentrate on understanding the material. In addition, we have tools such as laptops and phone textbooks for use or HVS stationary, Wi-Fi or internet, and so on. Furthermore, message from me for everyone who is currently studying online is to keep up the spirit. Don't be worried because you are always at home. What can we do about our hobbies? so we don't get bored of learning online. Always pray that the COVID pandemic 19 will soon disappear from this world. Stay patient because the way online will reduce the spread of COVID-19. Must remain a student who is on campus. Even at home, don't forget our obligation.
Alright, thank you Sis Asti for joining me in conversation today, and thank you for taking the time.
Yes, you are welcome. I have permission to leave soon. Yes.
Okay? That's my conversation with a student search. Might be useful. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you later.